Liquid trading does not provide financial advice, we provide information for your consideration. Today's number one top gainer is Terminix Global Holdings Incorporated, symbol TMX. The stock went up by $6.74 or 18.02% to $44.15. Target low price is $44, with a target high price of $65. Terminix Global Holdings Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $1 billion. We found a few news articles related to TMX. Business Wire published a story titled TMX Merger Investigation. Halpersade LLP announces investigation into whether the sale of Terminix Global Holdings Incorporated is fair to shareholders. Investors are encouraged to contact the firm. TMX. Access Wire published a story titled Investor Alert. The M&A class action firm announces an investigation of the merger of Terminix Global Holdings Incorporated. TMX. American City Business Journals published a story titled Memphis-based Terminix to be acquired by British Co. Renical initial in $6.7 billion deal. GuruFocus.com published a story titled Deutsche DWS Investment Trust buys Hilton Worldwide Holdings Incorporated, Apollo Global Management Incorporated. GuruFocus.com published a story titled Deutsche DWS Variable Series I buys Hilton Worldwide Holdings Incorporated, Apollo Global Management. Today's number 2 top gainer is Allbirds Incorporated, symbol BIRD. The stock went up by $2.28 or 17.59% to $15.24. Target low price is $17, with a target high price of $30. Allbirds Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $259.53 million. Today's number 3 top gainer is Beyond Meat Incorporated, symbol BYND. The stock went up by $5.89 or 9.29% to $69.31. Target low price is $54, with a target high price of $106. Beyond Meat Incorporated has higher total debt than total revenue by $689.16 million. We found a few news articles related to BYND. Reuters published a story titled Analysts Say McDonald's, Beyond Meat Plan Big US 2022 McPlan Expansion. Motley Fool published a story titled Why Beyond Meat Stock Was Cooking on Tuesday. Motley Fool published a story titled 2 Stocks Defying the Nasdaq's Tuesday Drop. TheStreet.com published a story titled 5 Top Stock Gainers for Tuesday as Stock Market Declines. Investing.com published a story titled Beyond Meat Jumps as McDonald's Launch Seen Early, Piper Upgrades. Today's number 4 top gainer is Neogen Corporation, symbol NEOG. The stock went up by $3.29 or 8.20% to $43.41. Target low price is $55, with a target high price of $55. Neogen Corporation has higher total revenue than total debt by $485.03 million. We found a few news articles related to NEOG. Barron's.com published a story titled Neogen Stock Climbs. The company is combining with 3M's food safety business. Business Wire published a story titled NEOG Investigation. Halpersade LLP announces investigation into whether the merger of NEOG Corporation is fair to shareholders. Investors are encouraged to contact the firm. NEOG. TheStreet.com published a story titled 3M Food Safety Unit and Neogen to combine in $9.3 billion deal. Bloomberg published a story titled 3M Merging Food Safety Unit with Neogen in $9.3 billion deal. Benzinga published a story titled 3M Agrees to Combine Food Safety Business with Neogen. Today's number 5 top gainer is GameStop Corporation, symbol GME. The stock went up by $10.78 or 7.88% to $147.66. Target low price is $24, with a target high price of $180. GameStop Corporation has higher total revenue than total debt by $5.21 billion. We found a few news articles related to GME. Yahoo Finance published a story titled AMC, GME have seen the apex of their interest, strategist. Reuters published a story titled Refile Explainer, what is short selling and why does the DOJ care? Barron's.com published a story titled GameStop and AMC stock rebound. Meme traders are buying the dip. Bloomberg published a story titled AMC shares swing wildly as investors try exiting 2021 favorites. Bloomberg published a story titled New Fund Chasing Daytrader Favorites Slammed by Meme Stock Slide. Today's number 1 top loser is EnQuest PLC, symbol ENQUF. The stock went down by $0.2100 or 43.75% to $0.2700. EnQuest PLC has higher total debt than total revenue by $1.17 billion. Today's number 2 top loser is Shimao Group Holdings Limited, symbol SIOPF. The stock went down by $0.3100 or 28.97% to $0.7600. Shimao Group Holdings Limited has higher total debt than total revenue by $20.41 billion. Today's number 3 top loser is Lumira DX Limited, symbol LMDX. The stock went down by $1.43 or 15.23% to $7.96. Target low price is $12, with a target high price of $20. Lumira DX Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $88.19 million. Today's number 4 top loser is Sunrun Incorporated, symbol RUN. The stock went down by $6.31 or 14.98% to $35.80. Target low price is $28.1, with a target high price of $91. Sunrun Incorporated has higher total debt than total revenue by $5.19 billion. We found a few news articles related to our UN. Motley Fool published a story titled "Why Sunrun Stock Plunged Today." Bloomberg published a story titled "Solar Shares Tumble After California Proposes Incentive Cuts." Globe Newswire published a story titled "Edward Fenster, Sunrun's co-founder and co-executive chairman, issues statement responding to draft proposed changes to California's net energy metering program." GuruFocus.com published a story titled "On S&P Mid-Cap 400 Index Portfolio Buys GameStop Corp., GXO Logistics Incorporated, Tandem Diabetes." Today's number 5 top loser is Rentokil Initial plc, symbol RTOKY. The stock went down by $5.53 or 13.10% to $36.69. Target low price is $13.46, with a target high price of $13.46. Rentokil Initial plc has higher total revenue than total debt by $127.8 million. We found a few news articles related to our TOKY. Motley Fool published a story titled "Why Terminix Stock Rocketed 30.5% at the Open Today." Bloomberg published a story titled "Rentokil to Buy Terminix in $6.7 billion Pest Control Deal." Barron's.com published a story titled "Terminix Stock Soars on $6.7 billion Pest Control Deal." Reuters published a story titled "Update 3 Bugs Beware, Rentokil to Create Pest Control Giant with $6.70 BLN Deal." Investing.com published a story titled "Rentokil Stock Slips on $6.7 billion Deal to Buy Terminix." Today's number 1 top undervalued growth stock is Bank of America Corporation, symbol BAC. The stock is up by $0.54 or 1.24% to $44.12. Target low price is $35, with a target high price of $64. Bank of America Corporation has higher total debt than total revenue by $474.06 billion. We found a few news articles related to BAC. Reuters published a story titled "Bank of America CEO Says Credit Quality Strong, No Impact from Omicron Variant." Bloomberg published a story titled "Bank of America's Top Female Banker in Japan Puts Emphasis on ESG." American City Business Journals published a story titled "How Will Mass Property Owners Finance Energy Upgrades? A New Program Offers One Pathway." Black Enterprise published a story titled "Black-Owned Brown Venture Group Announces Bank of America's Significant Investment in Inaugural Fund." Yahoo Money published a story titled "Are Overdraft Fees Becoming a Thing of the Past?" Today's number 2 top undervalued growth stock is Pfizer Incorporated, symbol PFE. The stock is up by $0.36 or 0.66% to $55.56. Pfizer Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $29.46 billion. We found a few news articles related to PFE. Business Wire published a story titled "US FDA Approves Pfizer's Xeljanz, Tofacitinib, for the Treatment of Active Ankylosing Spondylitis." MarketWatch published a story titled 2 and 10-year Treasury yields see biggest gains in about a week as Fed meets and data highlight hot inflation. MarketWatch published a story titled "Cornell Partially Shuts Down Its Campus Due to Nearly 500 COVID-19 Cases in Possible Omicron Outbreak." Benzinga published a story titled "South African Study Shows Omicron Variant Could Escape Pfizer/BioNTech COVID-19 Vaccine Protection." Reuters published a story titled "Quotebox Reactions to Pfizer's COVID-19 Pill Showing Near 90% Efficacy." Today's number 3 top undervalued growth stock is Citigroup Incorporated, symbol C. The stock is up by $0.47 or 0.78% to $60.65. Target low price is $63.1, with a target high price of $124. Citigroup Incorporated has higher total debt than total revenue by $487.6 billion US. We found a few news articles related to see Bloomberg published a story titled Oil Slides on Global Surplus as Omicron Stokes Demand Fears. MarketWatch published a story titled Oil Settles at Lowest in More Than a Week After IES Says Omicron Will Slow Recovery in Demand. MarketWatch published a story titled US Oil Prices Settle at More Than 1 Week Low. Oilprice.com published a story titled OPEC Confident About Oil Demand Despite Omicron Cases. Motley Fool published a story titled Why Nvidia Stock Just Can't Stop Dropping. Today's number 4 top undervalued growth stock is Vail SA, symbol Vail. Target low price is $10 US, with a target high price of $26 US. Vail SA has higher total revenue than total debt by $201.1 billion US. We found a few news articles related to VALE. Zacks published a story titled Vail, VALE, to sell stake in California Steel Industries for $400 million. American City Business Journals published a story titled Nucor to pay $400 million to acquire majority stake in California steelmaker. Insider Monkey published a story titled 10 high dividend stocks with over 12% yield. Reuters published a story titled Brazil's Vale sells stake in U.S. California Steel to Nucor. Today's number 5 top undervalued growth stock is Wells Fargo & Company, symbol WFC. The stock is up by $0.36 or 0.74% to $48.92 US. Target low price is $30 US, with a target high price of $65 US. Wells Fargo & Company has higher total debt than total revenue by $144.38 billion US. We found a few news articles related to WFC. American City Business Journals published a story titled E-commerce Company Joins Reef Technology, Shipmonk at Industrial Park in Davie. Zacks published a story titled Wells Fargo, WFC, HSBC to use blockchain solution for FX deals. Business Wire published a story titled Wells Fargo and HSBC establish bilateral agreement to settle FX transactions through a blockchain-based solution. Let's talk about cryptocurrency for a moment. The first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, symbol BTC. The crypto is up by $700.37 or 1.50% to $47,360.50 US. Bitcoin has a market cap of $895.153 billion and a circulating supply of 18.9 million. Bitcoin is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. The second cryptocurrency is Ethereum, symbol ETH. The crypto is up by $64.55 or 1.72% to $3,817.83 US. Ethereum has a market cap of $453.329 billion and a circulating supply of 118.74 million. Ethereum is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. Ethereum is over the average volume. We found a few news articles related to Ethereum. Business Wire published a story titled Constance Hunter joins AIG as Global Head of Strategy and ESG. PR Newswire published a story titled Universal Corporation releases 2021 Sustainability Report. PR Newswire published a story titled United States laser marking machine market is projected to reach $1,042.39 million US by 2026, registering a CAGR of 11.72%. PR Newswire published a story titled Saga Communications Incorporated declares a quarterly cash dividend of 16 cents per share and a special cash dividend of 50 cents per share. PR Newswire published a story titled Ready Capital Corporation declares fourth quarter 2021 dividends. The third cryptocurrency is Binance Coin, symbol BNB. Binance Coin has a market cap of $86.282 billion and a circulating supply of 166.8 million. Binance Coin is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. We found a few news articles related to Binance Coin. Business Wire published a story titled Seven Hills Realty Trust closes $23.5 million bridge loan to refinance an office building in Downers Grove, Illinois. PR Newswire published a story titled Virginia National Bankshares Corporation announces Q4 cash dividend. Business Wire published a story titled Argan Incorporated declares regular quarterly dividend of 25 cents per share. The fourth cryptocurrency is Tether, symbol USDT. The crypto is up by $0.0006 or 0.06% to $1.0012 US. Tether has a market cap of $76.522 billion and a circulating supply of $76.43 billion. Tether is over the 250-day moving averages. We found a few news articles related to Tether. The fifth cryptocurrency is Solana, symbol SOL1. The crypto is up by $3.42 or 2.25% to $155.47. Solana has a market cap of $47.85 billion and a circulating supply of 307.78 million. Solana is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. We found a few news articles related to Solana. Liquid trading does not provide financial advice, we provide information for your consideration. Please hit the like and subscribe button so we can keep making informative content. Thank you and hope to see you soon.